Hey everybody, Carol Siddle here with Junk Journal Maniac. Been a couple weeks or so, maybe a couple weeks since I've been on here to do a video, and apologize for that, but I've been busy. I made crafts for a friend of mine, her 1-year-old daughter's baby first birthday. So I made these. I was busy getting these done because there was a deadline for them. So I made all these little things. She's gonna put these in a pot with like shredded pink crepe paper and have them as table decorations. So there's the one for 1-year-old. So won't that be cute? And her name's Macarena. So you are my sunshine. And then happy birthday. They call her Maca. So there's 3 sets because there's 3 pots. So I was busy doing those, and that took a while because, you know, it didn't come, the little smiley part came pre-made, but I had to make all the rest of it. So I did that, and these are going to have actually have 6x4 pictures on them. I've got some little pink paper clips, and those would be on a pink ribbon that I have across her fireplace. So they're pink with the edging with the pink. And then these are going to be on the, now this I did download, that part, but I personalized it, and then I did the edging with my stamp. These are gonna go on gift bags. And of course I added the little bling. Always gotta add a little bling, it's a little girl. Every girl should have bling somewhere. Even if they don't wear it, they should have it on them, right? So anyhow, I was busy doing that, and that took a while, getting all these done. Die cutting and all that stuff. And then we had my daughter's the reveal party for her baby. So excited. It's a little girl. It's her 3rd girl. They're very excited, and I can't tell the name yet because I don't have permission. They're saving the name for I don't know when. It's a really cute name. Not your normal average name because they don't do that, but it's going to be really cute. So I've been busy doing this, busy with the reveal party, just, you know, back to school with the girls and just all kinds of craziness. So that's why I've been gone, but now I'm back into the swing of things. This is, I just finished this actually. This is a Masterboard that I made. It's actually 4 pieces of, well, let me get it out, book pages. I do have a book that I use for Masterboard, but the pages are really thick. And by the time I do backing and the front, it's really thick and it's really heavy and makes it really thick in the journals. And that particular book, I just can't use it for that. Maybe here and there for something, but to do a whole journal with those thick things. So what I did, is what Gail does, Gail Gastinelli, I took, of course I evened out all the pages. I took 4 pages of old book pages, and then my first glued pieces, I attached them, and then just used those. And it came out a great weight. I'd say it's equivalent to like about a 40-pound cardstock, maybe 30, between 30 and 40-pound cardstock. So it's a good weight. It's not too thick, and I really love how it came out. This was all scraps. Save your scraps. They're perfect for doing backings on Masterboards. These, except for my little pieces, stamps and butterflies and stuff that I had, everything I used was scrap paper. Scrap papers are, just keep them in a big baggie and save them for when you want to do a masterboard. And I'm very excited. I'm doing 2 custom orders for my neighbor, for her mother. She ordered 2 journals from me, one from her friend and one for her. She's 95. She's doing a journal for her best friend, and she wants one for family memories. And so I'm going to do 2 9x6 journals for them. I'm very excited to do that for her because they're super, super nice people. When we moved into this neighborhood, other than us, because we were like only the 3rd house built in this neighborhood, they moved in right across the street from us, and it was like instant, like we knew each other forever. So it's just been really cool. She's from New York. She is actually a school teacher in New York and flies up there all the time because she still teaches up there, and then flies back down here. So she's busy. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you my Masterboard. I'm really excited about it. But I also have something else I want to show you. I'm actually not doing anything like making anything on this video. So I want to show you what I did make. I probably should have brought y'all along, but I'm sure I'll be doing another one. But right now my printer doesn't want to print right. So I ordered new ink, waiting for that to come in. I just think it's an ink cartridge issue because I've had something similar to this, but it's old. I mean, I have a Canon, an old Canon printer. The thing has been a workhorse for me as far as printing digitals and all that, but I hope it hasn't bitten the dust because printers are stinking expensive. Yeah, I might be able to find a used one on eBay, but when you buy a used printer, you don't know what you're getting. You might be getting somebody else's problem. And I'm pretty good at tinkering with machinery. Got that from my dad. So hopefully when I get the new ink and put that in, and everything will work out fine. Please, Jesus. Because I can't afford a new one. And I need to print. I have some digitals I need to print. So I want to set this aside for a minute. And I want to show you, I got a box of goodies from a dear friend. And I'm just going to take, the box is tall, and as you know, my work area is not big. Now, I have not gone through this. I've opened the box just to kind of let things air out, but I haven't really looked. So I'm excited. This is from my friend Rhonda. Bless her heart. She's just, oh God, I'm so sorry. I hit my camera. You still there? Don't go anywhere. I might have to back the camera out a little bit. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. The box wasn't very big, so I'm really surprised this all got in here. I have no idea what's in here. I have not gone through all this. But a lot more than I thought would be in this box, that's for sure. Look at the deer. I love deer. Deer is one of my favorite animals. So, need to get the box, plus it has all the addresses on it. So, let me see here if I need to back this out a little bit.